What's up, world? My name is Spencer, and I'm going to teach you how to beatbox in 1 minute. So today I'm going to be teaching you the fundamentals. Keyword is fun. You want to have fun with whatever you do. You'll dive deeper and you'll enjoy the experience so much more. Another thing to note is that these things are going to take time. No one is giving you your instrument, you are creating it. So the more effort you put into it, the more time you put into it, the better it will sound. It wouldn't be worth it if it was easy. So take your time and really put in that work. Practice, practice, practice. Practice, practice, practice. So with that, let's have fun and let's start. Now, the first sound we're gonna learn is the kick. You wanna start by saying any word with the letter B. Boom, beatbox, Beethoven. Now what you wanna do is not vocalize it and focus on releasing the pressure from the center of your mouth. Boom, beatbox, Beethoven. Right? That easy. Second sound is gonna be the snare. You want to say any word with a hard letter K or a hard letter C. Car, cat, kangaroo. Again, what you want to do is not vocalize it and then focus on that pressure. This is going to be coming from the back of your throat or in between your molars. Car, kangaroo, cat. The last sound we're going to learn is the hi-hat. You want to say anything with the letter T, like towel, take, or tennis. Again, you want to not vocalize it and just focus the pressure on the tip of your tongue. That was easy. Now that you know the fundamentals of beatboxing, you just got to practice, practice, practice. So remember to just have fun, let go, and let the beat take you. Hope you have a great day. Practice, practice, practice.